Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to the start of a brand new week. Today is Monday, October 28th of 2019, and here are the morning announcements. We do have a reading event that's happening in the art room today, so teachers, if you check your schedule to make sure what time you are going to the event in the art room, so that is happening today. If you do not know your schedule, then we can look it up for you in the office. And today is also our rescheduled date from our kindergarten field trip. So they will be going to the pumpkin patch today. So good luck. Hopefully the weather's okay. It's Friday right now when I make these announcements, so I don't know what the weather's like on Monday, but let's hope it is a nice day today. For our birthday list, I will let you know of the birthday list in just a couple of minutes here. But first of all, our lunch choices are meatball sub, grilled cheese, and turkey and cheese sandwich. And for our birthday list, here are the birthdays. We have Emily Ruiz, whose birthday was on the 27th of October. Aiden Gapmeter, Dean Temple, happy birthday to all of you. So hopefully you have a wonderful birthday day. Our Paws expectations are brought to you by our 4th grade students in Miss Foltz's class. And today they're going to be talking about things with Red Ribbon Week.
Alright, boys and girls, it is time for our pause, and today our 4th grade students from Miss Foltz's class has decided to talk about Red Ribbon Week, events that are happening starting from Tuesday until Thursday.
What are your favorite sports? What are your favorite, wear your favorite crazy stuff? Say no to drugs and wear orange.
Awesome, thank you guys.
Thank you very much, guys. And just a reminder, I will go to the schedule for our Red Ribbon Week events. So today is our Western theme, so hopefully you gave drugs the boot and wearing your favorite boots today. And then Tuesday, tomorrow, will be Team Up Against Drugs, so wear your favorite sports jersey. On Wednesday, it's Crazy About Being Drug-Free, so that is the crazy hair, clothes, or socks. On Halloween, October 31st, is Say Boo to Drugs, where you wear black and orange that day. And then Friday, on November 1st, it's the Red Rally, where we stand up united against drugs and we wear red for that day. So that is this week's events, and I will review that each day during our announcements. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Alright, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. Everyone have a great day. It's Happy Red Ribbon Week, so let's make sure that we're making sure we have a positive lifestyle and that we stay confident in what we're doing. Have a wonderful day.